Here's a 2016 Lexus ES300H. Once you arrive on the scene in this luxury hybrid sedan, people will instantly know things about you. You are aggressive, assertive, and demand only the best, like high performance and efficiency. So you drive a car complete with Drive Mode Select, allowing you to make your drive more responsive or efficient with just a simple turn of a dial. Meanwhile, Siri Eyes-Free, high-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and Lexus Enform remote apps with Safety Connect satisfy your need for peace of mind.
Never feel lost again with the navigation system. Dual Zone Climate Control lets you and your passenger pick a personal temperature. Safety comes by being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat.
Get behind the wheel of this gorgeous ES300H and start turning heads today.
Call us now for more information on this vehicle or visit today. We're conveniently located at 13909 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway in Chantilly.